All right, hey guys. Today we have another unboxing project. So I have a cheap Amazon welder. So this was like $80, and it says it's a MIG 130R by Femerol, I guess. But I don't really think it's a MIG welder because it does fused core or stick welding, if that's what it's called, where you use like the, yeah. Is that what it's called, Tom? Stick welding? Okay, anyway, let's check this out. And I also got a helmet because this one comes with a little face shield, and I read the reviews and they say don't use that little face shield. Like, get yourself a good helmet, you know. All right, let's pop this out and we're gonna, oh, what? Wow, they gave me gloves? Oh, I didn't even know that. That's kind of cool. I have beefier gloves, but that's kind of neat that they give you gloves. Okay, we got instructions and some tips. Okay, obviously I won't, wow, they give you a bunch of stuff here. A wire brush for cleaning stuff. I don't know what that is. Obviously I'm not gonna, I'll get it all set up and then bring you guys back. Holy cow, this is a pretty beefy feeling. Let me feel this. Okay, there's the ground clamp. Okay. We got one possible issue here is we just ran an extension cord up into this shed that we're kind of fixing up. So we don't know if we're gonna trip a breaker because that's a long extension cord and it's not very heavy duty. So, uh-oh, what is this? Oh my gosh, is this the mask? Oh my gosh, please tell me this is the mask. Yes, it is. I'm giving this to you, Tom.
I'd rather wear a COVID mask.
Would you wear this to do some welding, Tom? It's missing the shield.
Oh yeah, you probably got the shield in there someplace.
Yeah, I know, but look, you bend it and you pop it together like this.
And you got some string.
Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Why did they even bother? Are they like required by law to like have some safety gear? Look at this, guys. Would you use this? Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. So yeah, let's check this out. We don't want the video to be too long or Tom yells at me. What?
I don't think you have enough.
Okay, let's take a look at this. It looks really nice, just appearance-wise. It's really small. It's pretty light. It's got a really beefy cord on it. So it's got a couple dials on it, and I'm gonna have to look at the instructions and get it set up with the wire because we're gonna use the flux core wire. Uh-oh, I hope it comes with wire. Yeah, I think it does. Yeah, it does. Okay, yeah, because this one can do the flux core or the stick welding or rod welding, whatever it's called. There we go. Okay, so I'll just check the instructions, and the spool goes on here. You feed it through here, and then I got some metal here that we can do some test welds and see how good it works for such a cheap option for like a hobbyist welder. You know, you won't want to do crazy big projects. So I'll get this set up, but let's quick take a look at the helmet also. Yeah, this is like an one of them auto tinting helmets. This was pretty cheap also off Amazon. I'd have to check. I'll put it on the screen, the price. This was maybe like 40 bucks or something. Wow, yeah. Oh my gosh, we got to compare to the other. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. I hope I find the little screen that goes in here. Oh my gosh, look at the one they give you guys. They must be required by law or something. This is also from Amazon, Tuliam. And this looks really nice. This had good reviews. We could probably take this off. There we go. Ooh, oh yeah, look, you could flip this up. Oh wow. Holy cow, there's like dials on it. What the heck? Oh yeah, this looks really nice. Much better than this one. Okay, I'll get everything set up so we can give this a test. Okay, I've got the wire fed in there, and I read through the pour instructions, and we have an audience here. Look at, he's got a, right, Tom's got a little mask there.
How do you know I'm Tom?
Oh, there you go. Okay, so I'm sure, I don't even know what to put the settings at because the instructions didn't even have a chart. So I'm just gonna start somewhere, and this is 3mm steel, so I'll just gonna do something and see what happens, right? Oh yeah, there's something I forgot to tell you guys. I haven't welded before. This is my first time welding. I haven't told them that yet. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to get yourself about a 15-degree angle, right? Brace yourself. And do I have to... I have to pull the trigger, so touch it first and then pull the trigger?
You pull the trigger over.
But then this is going to start shooting out.
But as soon as it touches, it'll start arcing.
Okay. So like keep it really close, then pull the trigger.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. Okay, Tom's holding my camera. Let's clean up my first ever weld and let's see what it looks like. And then I'll do a couple more tries. It just kind of felt like, not that I know what I'm talking about, but it felt like I wasn't getting quite enough juice, because maybe you'll be able to hear it in the video. Like it was kind of like, I don't know, it was doing something, right? What do you think, Tom? Dude, once I got started, like once I got to here,
Yeah.
that's good there, right?
Oh yeah, that's great.
Are you being sarcastic?
No.
Oh. See, I just don't have the anti-spatter spray.
Okay.
Here, let me see if I can get a little close. All right, yeah, see, you can get anti-spatter spray for this,
Well,
and
don't
then...
touch it. You know, it's hot.
It's not hot anymore.
Maybe it didn't have enough heat and electricity. Maybe it won't even be together. Maybe you should try and break it apart.
Yeah, you want to try that?
Well, see if you can.
It's definitely welded, Tom.
We'll see.
Okay, grab it. Smash it, hit it against the side of the barn.
Oh, jeepers.
Do you want to smash it on the cement over there?
I need a hammer.
Okay, I'm gonna hook it up. I'm gonna get it back set up, and I'm gonna do. He's trying to break my weld. I'm gonna try a couple more beads, and I'll try some different movement of it and see how that changes it. I think we're just like. Actually, I'll turn the dials up a little bit and try it again. I did pretty good though, I think. Okay, I'll try another one.
Finally said that maybe it'd be better if you use this helmet.
Look it. Okay, I better stop screwing around. This is fun, guys.
Why? Everybody.
I know. Well, what do you mean? Of course.
You didn't want Roger and me watching you.
Well, duh. That's because it makes people nervous when you have an audience.
Well.
This is after the fact. The people are seeing it afterwards.
Yeah, but this is photoshopped.
Okay, look it, guys. There's my name. Pro Welder. Okay,
hot.
not really.
It's hot there.
One of my first ones was probably one of the best ones. Here's the practice names I did. But see, the anti-spatter spray would get rid of all this extra stuff. Would just rub off. But I think the welds are working pretty good. I just need more practice, and I'm good at writing my name, so that's good. Sorry, there's a emergency vehicle. They're sending the cops. First time welder. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time on the other side. I turned down the voltage a little bit, and it seems like there's less like sputtering, so I might be able to get even better welds. So let me try it again here. Oh, and I adjusted my auto mask. There's some dials on it, and it was too dark before, so now I can see better too. So. Okay, wow, that looks really good. That was the technique where you just kind of go, you go forward and then halfway back, forward and halfway back. That looks really good. Let me just do a couple different like movement techniques and then we'll see what they look like at the end. I've never done some of these. I'll try like a zigzag because I've seen people do that. Oh wow. Wow, that's even better, I think. Wow, these are nice. Okay, now I've seen somebody do like a T pattern, so I'm gonna try that. What do they call it then? Stacking dimes? Okay, here we go. Yeah, we stacked them dimes. Wow, that's really cool. This is fun. Wow, I think I got some good welds. Okay, let's take a look at them, guys. Hey! For a beginner, I think I did pretty good. Well, yeah, look at this. So this was the back and forth one. This was the zigzag. And this was the T movement. Yeah, look, we got the stacked dimes. I'm probably like referencing that wrong. Wow, so just with my technique, well, not knowing what the heck I'm doing yet, I clearly did a better job by doing the zigzag or the T-shaped. So the T-shaped, you know, I just came down and then I went back and made a T-shape and then went down and made a T-shape like that. So I was just going like this. And I think that's what it stacks these up. Like, that's why they call them stacking dimes or something. And the zigzag one also kind of made little stacks of dimes. That is definitely majorly welded. I'd say this is the worst one where I was just going like this. I think I was filling it up. I don't know what I did. It's a little weird, but man, these ones look good. All right, now I want to draw some more. I think I'm going to draw some more, but we got to make a sculpture. I'm just having too much fun. Okay, I'll be right back. Maybe I'll do a little drawing on the metal. Nice, there we go. Okay, I should probably stop goofing around, guys. Come on now. Ooh, that looks good though. Let's see. Is this whole thing hot? I just need to get some anti-spatter spray. Oh yeah. Oops, now I got this. Yeah, there we go. Here, I was just dinking around. Let's see, can you guys see the... It turned out really good. And there's my doodles. Okay, I should go find some stuff to make a statue. Alrighty, so I looked around the farm a little bit and I found some random metal stuff laying around. Here's some, I don't even know, stuff from old tractor parts. So I'm gonna make some kind of bug. So I think I'm gonna take these pieces and I might weld this on like this for his head. And then maybe we'll put some, we got this whole tray of bolts here. So maybe I'll use bolts for his eyes, or yeah, I'll figure it out. Maybe add some little legs with other bolts. So let me just try it. I hope my angle grinder's here. I gotta clean the metal up. Yeah, there we go, guys. We got a bug. Oh my gosh, it's probably so fragile. Because obviously I don't think you're supposed to weld with such a cheap little welder, like welding that really thick metal, you know? Pretty cool though, look. Isn't he kind of cute? Let me see what you're looking at on the screen. Ooh, it's probably still hot. He's a cute little bug. He might be a little on the ugly side. He's the ugly duckling. He's kind of like a little ladybug. I think it's cute. Alrighty, I'll find a good spot on the shelf for this guy. Oh, he can be our decoration on our little coffee table there for the living room. Awesome, guys. Well, thanks for watching. I definitely like the MiG 130R. Little tiny, look at how little this is. Little tiny portable welder. It's a flux core and the stick welding or rod welding. I don't know what people call it, because this is my first day welding. So pretty awesome. I really like how some of these welds turned out. They're freaking awesome. So, and my ugly duckling bug. So, all right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. Hit like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Bye, bug. Ah!